Olive, nutrient-rich marvel and antioxidant power. Introduction. Olive, also known scientifically as Olea europaea, is a tiny fruit that is a part of the olive tree, an emblem of prosperity, peace, and overall health. The tiny fruit is brimming with health-enhancing advantages and is a staple of the diet throughout Mediterranean civilizations for centuries. Famous for its delicious taste and nutritional value, the olives are now an integral ingredient in many cuisines all over the world. In this post, we'll explore the numerous health benefits associated with olives, ranging from its rich in nutrients qualities to its antioxidant capacity. Nutritional composition of olives. Olives are an excellent source of nutrition that is packed with vital vitamins, minerals, as well as nutritious fats. Though they are small in terms of size, but they are great in monounsaturated fats that are healthy for your heart and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. They also have a high concentration of antioxidants like vitamin E and phenolic compounds that protect cells from damage resulting from oxidation that is caused by free radicals. They are also an excellent source of fiber that is a mixture of insoluble and soluble fibers that aids digestion and improves the health of your gut. Health benefits of olive consumption. The regular consumption of olives is associated with a variety of health advantages. We'll look at the top benefits. 1. Cardiovascular health. Monounsaturated fats found in olives can improve heart health by decreasing the chance of developing heart diseases. The healthy fats reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, which is also referred to as bad cholesterol, while raising the levels HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol. The antioxidants in olives can also help defend against oxidative stress as well as decrease inflammation, which contributes to the overall health of your heart. 2. Anti-cancer properties. Olives are a rich source of compounds which have anti-cancer characteristics. The antioxidants found in olives can help to neutralize free radicals that could cause DNA damage and cause cancer to develop. Studies have shown that phenolic components that are found in olives can in preventing cancer cell growth and decrease the chance of developing certain kinds of cancer, such as colon, breast, and stomach cancer. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is the primary cause of various health issues such as cardiovascular disease, as well as arthritis and cancers. The phenolic components from olives have been proven to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. They help to reduce inflammation within the body, which could lead to helping to prevent or reduce symptoms of inflammation-related diseases. 4. Weight management. Although they are rich in healthy fats, olives actually help with losing weight. Monounsaturated fats found in olives can help boost satisfaction, making you feel more full for longer, and also reduce your intake of calories. Furthermore, the low-calorie amount in olives make an excellent snack choice for people who are watching their weight or maintaining an energizing diet. 5. Skin and hair health. The antioxidant properties are present in olives, which can help improve the health of hair and skin. Vitamin E of olives protects the skin from damaging free radicals, encouraging an attractive complexion while reducing the signs of aging. Olives also contain nutritious fats that nourish hair follicles and hair shafts, helping to prevent hair loss as well as promoting healthy, shining hair. Include olives in your diet. After we've looked at the amazing health advantages of olives, we can look at ways you can incorporate olives into your diet. 1. Eat whole olives. Take a few handfuls of olives for a nutritious snack or sprinkle them on salads, sandwiches, or even charcuterie boards. 2. Olive oil. Make use of extra virgin olive oil to make an alternative that is healthier than other cooking oils. It is a wonderful flavor to pastas, salads, and roast vegetables. 3. Tapenade or spreads. Make the spreads with olive oil, such as tapenade that can be served with crackers or used as a sauce to wraps and sandwiches. 4. Mediterranean dishes. Discover the delicious flavor of Mediterranean food by mixing olives in dishes such as pasta puttanesca, Greek salads, and Moroccan tagines. Conclusion. Its nutrient-rich, Rich composition, as well as its antioxidant capacity and many advantages for health, olives merit their place as an amazing natural phenomenon. Integrating olives into your daily eating habits can be an enticing and nutritious choice that can help improve the health of your heart, offering anti-cancer benefits, decreasing inflammation, helping with managing weight, and improving the health of your hair and skin. When you're at the supermarket, make sure you stock with these small but powerful fruits to reap their incredible health benefits. Provide